Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Anil and I'll be showing you how to check if your vehicle has a valid MOT and if it has road tax. So I'm on my desktop here using my newly improved PC, but you can also do this on your mobile devices or tablets. So I'm going on Google Chrome. So I've typed in at the top here in the web page on vehicleinquiry.service.gov.uk. So alternatively, I will be going in a Google search engine, typing in vehicle inquiry service. Just click on the top one there and select the top one, and here we are. We are in the gov.uk website. What we need to do now is enter the registration number of your vehicle. So I'm going to put in GK13FZC, enter. Is this the vehicle you are looking for? This is the correct registration number. It is a Ford and it is silver. Yes, and press continue. And here we are. My vehicle is currently road taxed until the 1st of September 2020, and it also has a valid MOT up until 18th of June 2021. If you go scroll down, it just tells you the vehicle details. In terms of when the vehicle was registered, what's the size of the engine, how much carbon dioxide emissions that it emits, if it's petrol, diesel, in this case it's petrol, etc. This type of service is extremely beneficial if you are looking to purchase a used vehicle, because you can check if it's road tax and has MOT before you drive the vehicle off the forecourt after the purchase. So if the vehicle wasn't road taxed or had MOT, then what would happen is you would risk getting pulled over by the police out on the road and motorway, wherever you are, because it's not roadworthy and it doesn't meet the legal requirements to be out on the road. So this is hugely beneficial, guys, and just bear this in mind, especially if you're going to purchase a new vehicle, and to check if your own vehicle is road taxed and MOT. You can't have road tax in your vehicle without a valid MOT. So it's just important information you guys should know if you want to continue having your vehicle out on the road. So thank you very much, guys, for listening. On my next video I will be putting up a quick tutorial on how to check the history of a vehicle's MOT or your own vehicle's MOT. Thank you, bye bye.